يا الله يا علي يا شان.
This video was brought to you by the Critical Language Service. To learn more about our Arabic courses taught via telepresence and video conference to high schools, homeschool groups, and other academic groups, visit our website at www.criticallanguageservice.com.
Expressions, conditions in Arabic. More on conditionals F. We saw إذا and now we're going to see لو. The words إذا and لو are used in formal and spoken Arabic to express conditions, as we do in English with if. In formal Arabic, the two words differ in the kind of condition they express. So we have لو, إذا, both express condition, but the kind is different. Go figure. So إذا is used to express conditions that are possible, and لو is used to express conditions that are impossible. So إذا possible, لو impossible. Now we're gonna show you some examples of the use of إذا and لو in فصحى and عامية. So with لو, the easiest example and most common is لو كنت أعرف. لو كنت أعرف is had I known. So obviously you didn't know, but كنت أعرف. لو كنت تعرف لحصل شيء آخر. For example, the outcome would have been different, but it's impossible to say now because what happened has happened. And now with إذا. So إذا is a possible condition. Like when your father say إذا نجحت, سأهديك سيارة. And in the book you have إذا نجحت في صف الكيمياء فيمكنني أن أتخرج في ديسمبر. But here this one is more practical, something we all like to hear. If you succeed, if you pass, I'm gonna buy you a car. إذا نجحت سأهديك سيارة. In spoken Arabic, the distinction between possible and impossible conditions is less important. We don't believe in the impossible. And each region has a preferred word. Egyptians tend to use لو. We're gonna give you an example on that. We can say لو دخلت. I don't know why I put the dot on the dot. لو دخلت كلية الحقوق. عايز أتخصص في حقوق الإنسان. So you see the لو here expresses condition. If I got into law school, I want to specialize in human rights. And there you have it. It's easy as saying لو. The conditions in Arabic with إذا and لو, and how إذا is for possible situations, لو is for impossible in formal Arabic, but you can use لو for both in spoken Arabic, mainly Egyptian. Enjoy. And now more on إذا ولو conditionals if. We're going to see in this slide how we use the tenses with إذا and لو. First, you have to know that in formal Arabic, conditionals have rather strict rules. So, be serious. Here, we will focus on the rules for إذا, which must be followed by الماضي. So, simple, إذا plus past tense. Because الماضي is in the conditional tense, that is ماضي, in this case does not have a past meaning but rather a conditional one. So, you know how ماضي expresses past actions? In the conditional, it doesn't have a past meaning to it, but rather a conditional meaning to it. Okay? And the result clause, or we say جملة الشرط in Arabic, what happens if the conditional is met, is signaled in formal Arabic by fa. So you have a sentence with إذا, blah blah blah, إذا and something in the past tense, and then fa. And we have an example. إذا نجحت في صف الفيزياء فيمكنني أن أتخرج في ديسمبر. So if I pass in physics, I can graduate in December. So the 3 points. First we have إذا plus past, and يمكنني أن أتخرج في December is the result clause. If I pass this, I can graduate in December. As you can see, I graduate in December is in the future, so here نجحت does not mean the past, but rather means the future, but the tense is used as the past to express the conditional. That wasn't too difficult, was it? So إذا past ف. Remember this example? In Egyptian we said لو دخلت كلية الحقوق عايز أتخصص في حقوق الإنسان. So لو same meaning, دخلت is in the past, عايز أتخصص في حقوق الإنسان. عايز is I want to, so it kind of gives the same meaning of. And last example is إذا ما استطعت أن أنام فسأقرأ بعض القصص. So إذا condition, ما استطعت I couldn't in the past استطعت أن أنام ف the result clause سأقرأ بعض القصص. If I couldn't sleep, I'll read some books, preferably in Arabic. Let's revise the rules. You use إذا mostly in formal Arabic to express conditions. لو to a lesser extent because it's for impossible situations. So if you are talking about possible condition, you use إذا, and you use the past, and you use ف as to indicate the result clause. However, spoken Arabic allows for greater flexibility. So if you are using إذا for condition, you would say I can use إذا or لو قدرت this is a تيجي معانا. Notice, pay attention to the sentence and look for the 3 things that makes a condition in Arabic, the 3 rules, and let's compare them with this long sentence. So in Egyptian Arabic you would say إذا or لو قدرت تيجي معانا حكون مبسوط قوي. So we were looking for the word for the conditional. We have it. It's إذا or لو, and we're looking for the past and the ف. So قدرت تيجي معانا, you were able to, so we have it, but you can also not use the past. So لو كنت تقدر or إذا لو تقدر تيجي معانا also is a possibility. حكون مبسوط قوي, we don't have the ف, we have ح, which is kind of it gives the same meaning of ف, but it's not ف obviously. It expresses the future, which is what the result clause mean anyway. Of course, if you are expecting a result of a condition, a result of a situation, it will be in the future, right? Okay, now let's see more about expressing conditionals in Egyptian Arabic. So we said that to express a condition, you use إذا or لو, and ماضي. It's not about tense, it's about the conditional, and ف. That is the way in formal Arabic. In Egyptian Arabic, ماضي is normally used except in existential sentences. So it's pretty flexible. In Egyptian Arabic you can use the ماضي and you cannot use it, but it's not used when you're talking about an existential sentence. Existential sentence means that the sentence does not indicate time. There's no tense, there's no obvious tense. You're just stating a comment or giving a statement of something that is obvious. Like here, لو مفيش وقت دلوقتي ممكن نروح بعدين. If there is no time now, we can go later. So we have دلوقتي, which means now, but there is no verb that indicates past, present, or future. So here, let's see what we have in this sentence. We have لو for condition, and then nothing. We don't have ماضي, we don't have ف to indicate the result clause. And this is what it means to not use ماضي in existential sentences, and this is an example of existential sentence with لو without ماضي. Same thing for لو قدرتي تيجي معانا حكون مبسوط قوي. So this is just a statement saying if you can come, we'll be very happy, or I'll be very happy. So there is no actual verb that states tense. قدرت is if you could, but it's not a tense. Doesn't mean in the past, but it's just stating, giving a statement that has nothing to do with the tense. So no ماضي indication. And same for لو ما قدرتش تنام ممكن تتكلم معايا. If you couldn't sleep, you can talk to me. This is also has nothing to do with, it doesn't mean now or in the past or in the future. It's like giving an advice for someone. This is some kind of existential sentences.